So this video is actually by request. This is one of the questions that I posted on Instagram, and I had a comment or a request rather to actually do a video to solve the problem. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is a pretty straightforward math problem. Certainly some dosage and calculation questions that you see on the NCLEX could be like this. Things that you get in a classroom setting could be like this. So we're going to solve it together because it's pretty simple. So what do you have to know here? You have an order for Suprax 80 milligrams daily, and it's for a child who weighs 22 pounds. So this is the important information that I'm just underlining. And I do this a lot with questions. I do it with math problems as well. I just underline the important stuff so I don't get so lost in all the words and what it's asking. So we know that the recommended dosage for Suprax for a child under 50 kilos is 8 milligrams per kilogram by mouth, and that's daily, or 4 milligrams per kilo every 12 hours. So this is a two-part question, right? We have what is the recommended single dose for this child, and is it safe? So we have to figure out a couple of things here. So we have our order, and I'm going to write down here. My order is for 80 milligrams PO daily for my child. So I know the child weighs 22 pounds. Well, the first thing we have to do is to convert to kilos. And the way we do that is we can do 22 pounds divided by 2.2, and that will give us 10 kilos. So when we're going from pounds to kilos, we divide by 10, or by 2.2, we get 10. When you go from kilos to pounds, you're going to multiply. So I know this child weighs 10 kilos, and that's important information that I need right now. So the two-part question says, what is the recommended single dose for this child? Well, we know that the recommended dosage, which is here, it says for a child under 50 kilograms, and this child he's 10 kilos, is 8 milligrams per kilo PO once daily. So 8 milligrams, I'm going to write up here, 8 milligrams per kilo, right? That equals 80 milligrams PO daily. So that's the recommended dose, and it also says, or it can be 4 milligrams per kilogram, and I'm putting in the 10 because that's how many kilos this child weighs, which gives me 40 milligrams every 12 hours. So that's the second way that it gives us the recommended dosage. And we know every 12 hours really is twice a day. So either way, the recommended dose is 80 milligrams a day. And that's exactly what our order is, 80 milligrams PO daily. So the recommended dosage here, 80 milligrams PO daily. Let's put day. And then, is it safe? Yep, it's absolutely safe. And so that's how you solve that problem.